I'm starting to get tired. Moi aussi, ça devient lourd. This game does not chill. Upward blast, can't stay down. Every dive just spins around. Push against it, fight the flow. I want this thing, let me go. We've been swimming for so long. Every move feels slightly wrong. This isn't peaceful anymore. It's pressure grinding to the core.
On enchaîne les niveaux et la difficulté monte trop. On ne respire jamais vraiment, toujours sous tension constamment.
Les courants brûlent nos nerfs, les détours deviennent sévères. On commence à saturer, mais on ne veut pas lâcher. We could just skip this pain, partir sans regarder. Just finish, move on again. Mais ces chants nous retiennent encore. Feel my pressure rising fast. How much longer will this last? Ocean pushing every kind, testing body, testing mind. Heated vents and burning air. Do we fight or just not care? Easy road or deeper dive. Only choice is to survive.
Fine, 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 fine.
Fine, turn back, dive again. Follow echoes through the strain. Three small voices caught in stone. Left to struggle all alone. Push the rock, block the stream. Break the currents, choking schemes. Slow and steady, inch by inch. Every second makes you flinch. On remonte, on replonge malgré le doute qui nous ronge. Chaque dauphin libéré efface un peu la difficulté, mais on sent la fatigue, presque une lassitude tragique. Le jeu ne nous épargne rien. On serre les dents, on tient. Feel my pressure, don't give in. Hear the echo from within. Swim through fire, break the stone. No one here gets left alone. Burning tight and shattered calm. Ocean carving into palm. Shortcut fades through path of life. Save the song and earn the dive. Last one free and something shifts. Energy hum, a pulse that lifts. Wait, my sonar hits them now. That's new power, okay, wow. Not just echo, not just scan. Now it strikes, now it can. After all that crawling slow, we finally get to push back though. Le sonar devient attaque, il frappe enfin. Il impacte, ce n'est plus juste explorer. On peut aussi riposter. Toute cette peine avant avait un sens. Finalement on gagne en contrôle, en force, même si la mer reste féroce. Feel my pressure breaking line. Power earned by crossing grind. From escape to standing ground. Now our echo has a sound. Heated vents and rising flame. Motion change the rules of game. Test the will, reward the brave. Fight your way beyond the wave.
Yeah, I was getting tired, starting to feel kinda wired. But this makes it click. The struggle wasn't just sadist, it's not unfair, it's slow design. Earn the power, then you shine. Still brutal, still intense, but now we bite back at the vents. On était presque là, c'est presque prête à s'arrêter. Mais ce gain change la donne, il redonne un peu d'adrénaline. On n'est plus seulement victime, on devient actrice du rythme. L'océan reste impitoyable, mais nous aussi désormais capables. Thermal pressure breaking tide. No more drifting just to hide. Echo pulse now strikes ahead.
Ocean feels the shift we spread. Burning cracks and rising air. Now our sonar answers there. From frustration, from the grind. Stronger heart and sharper mind. Thermal pressure lesson earned. Every current slowly turned. Depths may crush and oceans rave, but now we fight the wave.
Okay, I needed that. Oui,
on n'est plus juste en train de subir. Now we hit back. Et ça change tout.